What happened?
There really is a spider
You killed the spider? Why? How many of you, okay, interesting, so she killed the spider. Now, my thing is, how many of you, when bees fly around, what are bees looking for? Honey. Are you made out of honey? No. So why do you freak the bee out when a bee comes near you, causing the bee to get scared and attack you? Listen, I'm going to invite you to be a little brave. If you're allergic to bees, then don't do this, okay? But I invite you to be a little brave. I have a group of kids. All of a sudden, a bee flies around. Guess what? The bee lands on my arm. Guess what? I don't freak the bee out. Outside. On the inside, don't sting me, don't sting me, don't sting me, don't sting me. And all the kids start hovering around like, look, the bee's looking at me. The bee's smelling me. Do I smell like, especially after a day like this, I don't smell like flowers, okay? So I tell the kids, do I smell like flowers? They go, no, you don't. I say, got it. And then the bee just crawls around, and then it flies away. And that's it. And that's all that happened. But you create something in your mind about, like, I don't understand. Why are you afraid of bugs? Is a T-Rex afraid of you? No. Why are you afraid of a little insect this? Ah! Death! I'm all powerful. I have the glove. No. Why do you freak out? It's a spider. Pick up the spider, put it outside.
It bites.
It bites. So do kids. You don't step on them. Oh, you can lose your job stepping on a kid.